The news headlines today can be heavy and weigh on all of us, but imagine if you had to add that to the burden some of our veterans carry. A North Carolina organization is doing its part to lower the suicide rate among veterans in our state. Veterans Services of the Carolinas is a faith-based nonprofit providing housing and employment services for veterans and their families. Director Brandon Wilson says mental health services is also one of the organization's top services.
This past spring, the VA has made suicide prevention among veterans actually their #1 clinical priority. Right now, we know that 17 veterans a day are taking their lives across this nation. That equates to about 4 a week here in North Carolina alone.
The group recently received a suicide prevention grant from the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs that will allow other organizations like churches, businesses, and nonprofits in the community to be a part of the solution to mitigating suicide across North Carolina.
We anticipate doing is it's a twofold strategy where one is going to be providing education and training to the community and at zero cost to the community. Some of these modalities look like mental health first aid, question, persuade, refer, suicide prevention training, save suicide prevention training.
Wilson says the grant will also help create crisis response teams made up of community members and Veteran Services of the Carolinas staff.
VA can help you with your benefits, but community helps you with what you need. And veterans, we need to do a better job of our veterans entering back into the civilian sector.
For organizations interested in partnering with the Veteran Services of the Carolinas and receiving these free mental health trainings and resources, just look for this story on our website. I think this is a really great initiative because we do a lot of stories about their services for our veterans. There's help out there, but a lot of times those veterans don't know how to get that help. So if you could combine people in the community, different organizations to partner to offer that help, I think that's a great thing.
Also, you could probably understand this better than we could, but when you're in the military, because your father's military, what a different world it is when you get out and you're back in the civilian sector. It's like a complete redo. And for those that have been serving our country for, in some cases, decades, it's tough to make that transition.
And we are all so thankful for the brave men and women that do step up to serve our country. I'm so glad to see this community-wide effort. We're all here to pitch in any way we can.
Absolutely.
It's a great program.
And again, all those details are on our website.